My name's Tony. Today we're going to be doing an update on the Lumix S5. This works for all the S series and it's a problem that's been around for some time. If you're getting a dialog box come up and it says update files cannot be found, then this is a procedure you need to follow. So first, switch the camera on, making sure your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is switched off. Also, make sure you have a full battery. Then go to your menu and format the SD card. Switch the camera off after it's formatted, remove the card and place in your PC or laptop. You should have already downloaded the zip files from Panasonic, and this is going to be version 2.6. If you unzip them, it becomes a bin file. Now go into your memory card on your computer and you'll see two files, which is a DCIM file and a private file. Delete these files. Once these files have been deleted, then you can open the zip file in the memory card. Extract the files, eject the card and place back in the camera. Now just follow the procedure of downloading the files. I hope this has been of some interest to you and some help. Please like the video and follow and share and subscribe if you can. See you on the other side.